Hello students, as you know, we are finishing our chapter number 13, Smart Charts. Now today, we are going to start our chapter number 13 in the additional mathematics book, that means in the workbook. So let's start. Chapter number 13, Smart Charts. Question number 1. A gift shop had variety of gift items. Can you see this picture of gift shop? Yes. In this shop, you can see different gift items are there. Pencil box, clocks, dolls, toy cars and Ganesha idols. Yes, na? So from that, first of all, we have to make the table. So question number A, complete the table below looking at the above picture. ये gift shop को आपको watch करके table complete करना है. So let's do it. First one, pencil box. So here number of items you have to write down here. So how many pencil box are given in this shop? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write here 5. Okay. Now clock. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 alarm clock are there. So we write here 4. Now Ganesha idol, just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we write here 8. Now how many dolls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write here 7. Now how many lunch box are there? So can you see the lunch box in this gift shop? No. So we can write here 0. There is no any lunch box here. Now 6 number, toy car. How many toy cars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write here 7. Okay. Now from this above table, you have to just write down the true or false. Okay. So question number B, based on the table, state whether the given statement are true or false. So let's see. Number 1, the gift shop has maximum number of Ganesha idols. So let us see in the table which gift is in maximum number. Yes, Ganesha idol. So that's why this statement is true. So we have to write here true. Okay. Now the next, the pencil box are list in number in the shop. So you can see here the pencil box is in list number. No, pencil box is a 5 in number and clock are 4 in number. So list in number is what? Alarm clock, not a pencil box. So here we write the statement false. Now the next 3 number, there are 5 lunch boxes in the shop. In the shop, there is a 5 lunch boxes? No, because the lunch boxes are 0. So we write here the statement is false. Okay. Now the next is, the shop has equal number of dolls and cars. So how many dolls and cars here? Just you can see dolls are in 7 number and cars also 7 number. So both are in equal number. So our statement is what? True. So write down true. Okay. Now number 5. There are 4 more dolls than the alarm clock in the shop. Just watch in the table. So you can see in the table that dolls are in number 7 and alarm clock are in number 4. So more 3 dolls are there, not 4. So this 5 number statement, it is the false. Okay, question number 2. Following plants and trees are grown in Hara Bhara nursery. One nursery is there. Nursery, you know, na? In that different kinds of plants are there. Yes. So name of that nursery is Hara Bhara. In that some plants are there. So by watching, so take the correct option on the basis of the above picture. First number. See how many this kind of trees are there. Just count it and then just you have to tick which is the correct answer, A, B or C. Okay. So let us count this type of how many trees are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7s are there. So which is the correct option? B option. So you have to just tick here. Now number 2. Now this type of plant is how many? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6. So which is the correct option? C option. So you have to tick here. Okay. Now next 3 number. Just watch this tree. Yes. So how many tree of this? Just count it in the picture. 1, 2, then 3, 4 and 5. How many 5 are there? So just tick the answer. The option you have to tick here. Now the next 4, that is the banana plant. So let's count how many banana plants are there in the nursery. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. So we have to tick the option in that 4 is given. So in which option 4 is given? Yes, B. So tick here B option. Okay. Now number 5. Just watch this tree. Now let us count the number of this kind of tree in the given nursery picture. So 1, then 2, 3. 3 are there. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So in which option 3 is given? A option you have to tick here. Okay. Now number 3. The table below gives the detailed number of students present in class 3 in the first week of January. That means in January month, first week, students are present according to this table. Okay. So here one note is given, that is one student shows the 5 students. That means one student picture जो है वो कितने count किए जाएंगे? 5 students के लिए count किए जाएंगे. Right? Okay. So let's start to write down the answers. Number 1. How many students were present on Thursday? So see, on the Thursday, how many students? 1, 2, 3. But for one student, how many we have to count? 5 students. So 5, 5, 5. So how many total? 15. So we have to write here 15 students. Now number 2. When was maximum number of students present? So just watch it in that table. On what day the maximum number of students you can watch it out? Monday. So we have to write here Monday. Okay. Now the next 3. How many new students were present on the Wednesday than on the Tuesday? So just you can watch on the Tuesday. How many students are present? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 20 students. And on Wednesday, 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25. So how many students? More new students will presented? 5. So we have to write here 5 new students. Number 4. When was the least number of students present? Least मतलब क्या? सबसे कम. So सबसे कम कौन से day present है? Friday. Only 5 plus 5, 10 students. So we have to write down the day's name of that Friday. 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 Okay. Now the next 5 number. If all the students were present on Monday, then how many students were absent on the Saturday? Suppose Monday all students are present. Okay. So let us see what is the difference between in Monday and Saturday. So on Saturday there are 25 students present, and on Monday there are 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20, 25, then 30, 35. Total 35. And on Saturday only 25. So how many students are absent on that Saturday? 10 students. So we have to write here 10 students. Question number 4. Below the table shows the price list of the food items. Okay, here see food items are given available in the Sagar Ratna restaurants. In which restaurant? Sagar Ratna restaurants. Based on the above details, answer the following questions. Okay, so this is information we have to give on. Now we have to write down the answers of the questions. Number 1. How much will customer pay if he orders dosa and dahi vade? So see, what is the price of that dosa? Here rupees 35. And what is the price of dahi vade? That is the rupees 50. So we have to just add it. Rupees 35 plus rupees 50. So how much will customer will pay? 35 plus 50, that is rupees 85. Okay, now number 2. Which food item is the most expensive in the menu? Expensive means what? सबसे ज़्यादा price. कौन से मेन्यू की है? Just watch it out in the list. Yes, दही वड़े की प्राइस सबसे ज़्यादा है. So we have to write down the answer. दही वड़े. Okay, now number 3. Which food item is the cheapest? Cheapest means what? सबसे low price in the menu. So menu list में सबसे less price किसकी है? इडली. So we have to write here इडली. Okay, now number 4. How much will customer pay if he orders chow mein and idli? So what is the price of chow mein? Rupees 45 and idli rupees 27. So we have to add the both price of these two food items. So here rupees 45 plus rupees 27. So that is equal to rupees 72. So customer will pay this rupees 72 for the orders chow mein and idli. Okay, now 5 number. Arrange the food items in the increasing order of their price. Okay, so first of all, increase in order means what? From smallest to biggest. So सबसे least price किसकी है? idli. So we have to write down here idli. Then उसके big vada. So we have to write here vada. Then usse big dosa. Yes. Then after that, yes, chow mein. So we have to write chow mein. And the last one, that is the dahi vadi. Okay. Done. Question number 5. Given below are the pictures of activities actually liked by the children. So here it is the table in that the different activities are given. Which are the activities? First A is playing, then swimming, then painting, then dancing, and the last one is the study. So the number of children like the playing, how many? Just see 1, 2, 3, 4. But here given that one face shows the 2 children. That means 8 students like the playing. Now swimming, 1, 2, 3 faces. That means double of that because one face shows the 2 children. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 6 students or children like that swimming activity. Okay, so let's start to write down the answers of the given questions. So number 1, which activity is liked by maximum number of children? So just watch it out the table. Which activity is having the more number of children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces, that means 12 students. That means which activity is here? Painting. So our answer is painting. So write down the answer. Painting. Okay, now number 2. How many children like the swimming? So just count from the picture or the table. So in swimming, how many faces of children? 1, 2, 3. That means one face is for the 2 children. That means total 6 children. 6 children. Okay, now number 3. Which activity is liked by minimum number of children? Minimum means what? सबसे कम. So you can see the least number of faces on which activity? Yes, study activity. So only 2 faces, that means only 4 children like the study. So write down the activity name, that is the study. STUDY, study, activity. Okay. Now number 4. How many more children like dancing than playing? Okay, so let's watch the table again. So dancing is like by how many children? Just count. 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 10 students. And playing 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 8 children. Like that means playing is like by 8 children and dancing is like by 10 children. Okay. So what is the answer here? 2 more children. Write down 2 more children. Okay. Number 5. Which activity is your favorite? So you can write your favorite activity name here. So I like here painting. So I can write my favorite activity. You can write your favorite activity here. Okay. Okay students, so here we finish this chapter number 13 in the workbook. So that's all for today. Thank you.